For today's origami project, we'll be making a transforming star. This is a really quick and easy project, and I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun making it. Firstly, you'll need 8 pieces of squared paper. It can be any size and any colour. For this particular project, I've chosen 4 pieces in one colour and 4 in another. For the first step, you're going to fold the square corner to corner and open it out. Then you're going to turn the piece of paper 90 degrees and fold it corner to corner again. Once you open the piece of paper out, you should have a square with a cross in the middle of it. For the next step, we're going to fold the piece of paper in half. So that when you open it out, you should have a square with a cross with a line in the centre of it. Make sure you crease the folds properly. And now we're going to assemble our slide. Fold the top left corner and the top right corner down to the middle of the line. That's in the centre of the square, and it should look like a shape of a house. For the next step, we're going to fold the paper over, and then we're going to push the crease on the other side of the paper inwards so that you've created a parallelogram shape. You've now completed a slide. Make 7 more, and as you can see, I've prepared them earlier. And now we're going to connect them all together. To connect the slides together, insert the closed end of the shape into the open end. Tuck them in neatly and fold the excess paper down to create flaps. Once you've created these flaps, we're going to fold them inwards into the opened end of the second shape. Continue doing this for the other slides until you've formed an octagonal shape. Make sure you crease the folds properly as you weave the shapes in together. And for the last one, make sure you tuck the flaps in on the outer edge of the shape. And there you have it, your transforming star. Thank you for watching.